Hi everyone, I'm Gil here at Graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about cast iron cookware. Yeah, our society has gone into all this lightweight aluminum and gone into the thin pressed stainless steel with Teflon coating on it and aluminum Teflon coating on it, and whatever it is, it's. And then they're trying going into the cookware with the ceramic coating on it, which isn't that bad. And there's some of them that have the other coatings on it. But I'm going to talk to you about good old-fashioned cast iron cookware. This stuff is made to go into a fire to cook, not just sit on top of a fire on the stovetop, but in a campfire outdoors. It's made to work with coals. And if it's properly seasoned, it's non-stick. Problem is, a lot of people have got lazy, both parents and kids, where the parents forgot to teach the kids how to properly season the cast iron cookware, and kids not asking, hey, how do you make it so it's non-stick? And they go and they buy this cheap stuff from other countries, and even here. Well, actually, it was even here in the United States for quite a while, and the manufacturing got exported of this cheap, thin, crappy cookware that burns food easily. A good cast iron skillet or Dutch oven or pot, it's slow to heat up. But once you get it up to heat, you don't have to have it really hot to cook. You get it up to temperature, and you just adjust the flame, keep it at the right temperature, and it cooks. And it doesn't burn because it distributes the heat more evenly because it's thicker. You don't have that burning where the flame is touching it and burning in these spots where the flame's touching. So, cast iron cookware. Think about getting it. You can probably pick a lot up relatively cheap at flea markets, thrift stores, estate sales, some garage sales, where people don't realize what it is they have. And sometimes you'll find some really old stuff, some of the Grissums and other ones that are 100 years old almost, that are still going strong, really well manufactured, and will last you to your great-grandkids. So think about getting some cast iron cookware and start using it. Now, on a side note on this, our pediatrician, when my wife was going in for her prenatal checkups and stuff, told her that my wife was deficient in iron, and my wife was like, "You need to take iron pills." She goes, and the physician said, "No. Get some cast iron cookware. Cook your food in cast iron. The amount of cast iron that will come out of the cookware into the food is all you need. That's all you need. You don't need to be taking iron pills and stuff if you're cooking in cast iron." All right? So there's another reason to have cast iron. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, like how to season cast iron cookware. Grow food indoors and outdoors. Grow all the fresh vegetables you can, because you don't want to be buying what's at the store right now. Because right now, generally, that stuff's coming from out of the country, and it was picked too early. They've sprayed it to help it finish ripening in transit, and then not ripen too quickly once it gets to the store. You don't want those chemicals in your diet. You want fresh food.